Have you ever stood at the counter, nervous about ordering coffee in English? Today, I'll walk you through it so by the end of this video, you'll be able to order like a regular. Let's jump in. Anna walks into a coffee shop. David is the barista behind the counter. Listen to how she orders.
Hi, can I get a medium latte, please?
Sure, for here or to go.
To go, please.
Got it. Anything else for you?
No, that's all, thanks.
That'll be $4.50.
Here you go.
Thanks. Here's your latte. Have a great day.
Now, let's break down some of the key vocabulary and phrases we just heard.
Phrase 1 is, can I get? Meaning, common way to order something. Listen to how it sounds in conversation.
Hi, can I get a medium latte, please?
Phrase 2 is, for here or to go. Meaning, asking if the order is to eat or drink in or take away. Listen to how it sounds in conversation.
Sure, for here or to go.
Phrase 3 is, anything else? Meaning, asking if the customer wants to add to their order. Listen to how it sounds in conversation.
Got it. Anything else for you?
Phrase 4 is, that'll be. Meaning, telling the customer the total price. Listen to how it sounds in conversation.
That'll be $4.50.
Phrase 5 is, here you go. Meaning, said when handing something to someone. Listen to how it sounds in conversation.
Here you go.
Alright, now let's go over a few pronunciation and shadowing notes so you can start sounding more natural.
Quick pronunciation tip. In fast speech, for here can blend together. Keep it clear at first.
Sure, for here or to go.
Quick pronunciation tip. That'll sounds like one word. Practice saying it smoothly.
That'll be $4.50.
Quick pronunciation tip. Use a rising pitch at the end to sound friendly and open.
Here you go.
Thanks. Here's your latte. Have a great day.
Now it's your turn to practice. Repeat after me. Can I get a medium latte, please? Pause the video and say it out loud. Quick question for you. What did Anna order? Pause here and think about it. Now it's your turn. Order your favorite drink out loud using today's phrases. Write your order in the comments.
Great job! Tomorrow we'll learn how to ask for directions on the street. Subscribe so you don't miss it. See you then!